What am I doing? What am I doing? Where am I at? Where am I at? I got plans for a snack. That's a fact. Sip and drink. Sip, sip. Nice and cold. Chill, chill. Taste so good. Taste so good. Pour some more. Woo. Shelves clean. Shelves clean. The food gone. The food gone. Stomach growl. Sounds like a thunderstorm. And now I'm glancing over scanning. I wanna eat things, all the best things with a napkin. What's happening? I ain't playing no games. Everything that I'm saying is coming straight from the stomach. So now I'm right here in the kitchen. I'ma leave the fridge open. I'ma leave the fridge open. I'ma leave the fridge open. I'ma leave the fridge open.